Ever thought of making candles at home and you felt intimidated? Then not to worry, because I've got you covered. In today's video, we shall be looking at a step-by-step guide to making your own scented candles at home. And today, we shall be using the paraffin wax. We're not just going to learn how to make candles, we're also going to look at how to start a profitable candle business. So, first things first, let us consider the tools and the ingredients you need to make your own paraffin scented candles. So we need the paraffin wax. This is easily available and suitable for beginners. So you could order this online or you could go to your local market. I've also put my Temu link in the description so you can order your paraffin wax on Temu. We also need our candle wicks. We need our melting bowl or our container. You need a spatula or a turning spoon. You need some fragrance. We need a double boiler or a pitcher. Also, we have candlesticks or wick holders. Also, you can use glue dot or hot glue gun to secure your wick to the containers. So, as we said, these ingredients are budget friendly and they are readily available in the market or your online stores. Let us look at a step-by-step guide for candle making. The first thing you want to do is to prepare your workspace. So I'll be using some old kitchen towels and some old towels. Now set up a clean and heat-safe workspace. Cover the surface with newspaper or an old cloth to catch any drips. Step 2. Attach the wick. Use a glue dot or a hot glue to secure your wick to the bottom center of your container. Then use a wooden stick or a wick holder to keep it upright. Step 3. Melt the wax. Place it in a double boiler or heat-safe pitcher over low to medium heat. Stir occasionally until fully melted. This usually takes 10 to 15 minutes. Once your wax is fully melted, it is time for step 4. Remove it from heat and let it cool slightly, 75 degrees Celsius. Then add your fragrance. Now that you have added your essential oil, you need to stir for at least 120 seconds. Please stir and not whisk. Stir until it is fully mixed together. So it is time to carefully pour your candles into your container. This has to be my most exciting part. So there you have it. Now, let us quickly consider starting a candle business on a budget. Here is how you can start. Don't invest in expensive equipment yet. You can do your little practices by using smaller batches or even recycled jars at home. So I still recycle my tomato jars and my Nutella jars. That's what I use for my candle practice. You can find affordable starter kits on Temu. I have attached my link below. So, allow your candles to sit for another 48 hours in a cool, dry place. Please space them out properly so they can get air circulation. And in 48 hours, trim your wick so you have just a quarter wax. So, there you have it. You have made your own very first candle. Congratulations. The next thing you want to do is to find your niche so you can laser point your attention. You can do eco-friendly candles or even scent-based themes or personalized candles. You could create candles in bulk or in batches so people can use them for souvenirs or as souvenirs for their events. Having a specific niche helps you stand out in the candle making business. Next thing to do would be to create a budget-friendly design for your packaging. So you can use free tools like Canva or even CapCut, or use Canva to create those attractive, simple yet professional designs, and you can invest in printable sticker labels. Let us look at selling locally online. You can start small by selling to friends, family, or even at your local farmer market. Then, to take it a step further, you can start selling on your Facebook marketplace, on eBay, on Etsy, and even on Shopify if you want. Offer gift sets or subscriptions if you want to make more money or diversify your income stream in the candle business. You can boost your sales by creating gift sets for holidays or for occasions like Valentine's, occasions like Mother's Day, or you could even create for corporate gifting. You can offer a subscription box where customers get free candles every month. To reduce waste and even make more profit, you can use your leftovers, turn them into wax melt, or even tea light candles. Nothing goes to waste. Now let us look at some simple tips for success. Now the first thing you want to do is to test your candles. So I've been making candles for a little bit over 3 months now, and trust me, I am still testing my candles. I try to test the recycled jars to see if it could even hold the heat. Also, I burn my wicks to see which or what quality of wick is best for which candle. So you want to test your candles at home. By testing your candles at home, you would be sure that your candles are aroma therapeutic. You want to price very smart. Now calculate your cost and add a good profit margin. Never underestimate or undervalue your own work. You also want to get feedbacks from family and friends. So if you have made some candles, try giving 1 or 2 to your close friends or to your family members and ask for constructive feedback. Please take on board their advice and make improvements or adjustments. Finally, you want to stay consistent. Consistency is key. Stick to your branding and product quality. And that's it. You've learned how to make the paraffin wax candle, and you've also learned how to start a candle business on a budget. I hope this video has inspired you to get creative and take the first steps. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave me a comment, please give it a like, subscribe, and please turn on your notifications so you would not miss any money making update. And on this note, I say thank you so much, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.